wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cameras for kids. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If your child is serious about photography, the Nikon D3500 is a reliable DSLR that offers an excellent introduction to the technical elements of the art. It features intuitive controls and the ability to capture 5 frames per second. It comes with an interchangeable lens system and connects with smartphones. However, it is more expensive than most. At number 9, youngsters who spend a lot of time in the water might appreciate the ourlife kids camera. It can be submerged to 100 feet to produce underwater pictures using a variety of photo frames and filters, and comes with a silicone case with handles for easy selfies. It includes a reversible lens and shoots 1080p video, but it's not as durable as others. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If your young ones enjoy the great outdoors, the Olympus TG6 Tough might make sense. It's waterproof to 50 feet, can survive drops from 7 feet, and can withstand a maximum of 100 kilograms of pressure, making it safer than other models for rough and tumble hikes. It captures video in 4K and comes in red or black. However, the controls are complicated. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cameras for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the GoPro Hero 8 comes from a company known for its dependable devices, making it a good selection for kids who want to record while on the move. It allows for live streaming in high definition. It features automatic image stabilization and shoots 12 megapixel stills, but accessories for it can get expensive. Moving up our list to number 6. The Nikon Coolpix W150 offers 18 shooting modes to capture vivid images. It's also waterproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof. It boasts electronic vibration reduction, a decent video resolution, and a reliable autofocus. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Panasonic Lumix can survive drops from 5 feet and temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also waterproof down to 26 feet. It comes with 220 megabytes of built-in memory and a powerful flash, and is capable of panoramic and time-lapse images. At number 4, the shockproof shell on the Seckton kids camera makes it rugged enough for children as young as 3 years old, but its autofocus feature, 8.0 megapixel lens, and 1080p video recording capabilities mean you won't be sacrificing image quality for durability. It includes basic editing tools, a 32GB storage card, and a battery that can last 2 hours. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Vtech kidizoom Creator Cam comes with a green screen that allows kids to take advantage of more than 20 animated backgrounds when they shoot and edit their own movies. It's equipped with a flip-up lens for selfies, a convertible tripod, and a rechargeable battery. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cameras for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Vtech kidizoom Duo Selfie is equipped with a front and rear camera, a 2.4-inch LCD screen, and a variety of fun photo effects. It also comes with 5 games and can upload to computers via USB. It runs on 4 AA batteries. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 combines old and new technology in a compact, slim body that's easy to carry around. It allows kids to capture and instantly print their pictures. It comes with a close-up lens attachment for shooting from just 35 centimeters away. It features a high-key mode that brightens images and a built-in selfie mirror. It comes in a variety of colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cameras for kids, or simply click beneath this video.